Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a custom build and revalve on a 2022 GasGas MC450. These are the WP exact AER 48 air forks. They were revalved to the JBI Suspension Pro Fork setting. This is a revalve with additional hardware upgrades internally. It is also available as a do-it-yourself install kit. More information on the fork revalve and the DIY kit can be found at ridejbi.com. This was set up to our motocross setting. The upper fork tubes were anodized to the JBI Fukushima coat. This is a brown bronzes anodized that gives the forks a very similar look to the Kashima coat that is also available. The lower fork inner tubes got the JBI DLC coat. This is the black coating. Of all the lower inner tube coatings, the DLC is by far the strongest and best performing. You get the most wear out of it, and it always has the smoothest feel when you touch it by hand. The fork lugs were Cerakoted with the Cerakote Graphite Black. Graphite Black is one of our favorite colors from Cerakote for the blacks. It has a good mixture of matte and sheen depending on how you are looking at it and the light coming off of it. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.